with you. Nothing but joy. We love you, Lord, and we ask you to be among us.
Honor you for it. We glorify you. It's my wedding! Oh, wedding in September!
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. Nothing God wants again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. The wedding's too heavy to carry. Remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
I never knew what love could do to a heart that is surrendered.
Who gives this woman to be married to this man?
Found out the truth
Mother and me.
Thank you.
when I met you. Now my heart is yours forever. You're the one I wanna dance with.
What's about to happen when these two make these vows is that these two people with different lives, different families, different personalities, are going to become one. Jesus said, "Therefore a man shall leave his father and mother and hold fast to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. So therefore what God has joined together, let not man separate." Marriage is not a man-made institution, but God ordained. And what these two are about to symbolize is two beautiful things coming together to form a new, different, beautiful, sometimes messy thing. So I'm going to invite them to step over to the side here and participate in this act of symbolism.
Love is patient, love is kind, love is celebrating joy in every life. Love protects, love relieves, love is persevering in each other's needs. On and on. On and on, we are living in your love. On and on, on and on, love is written in our blood. Holy love, holy love, love admits I was wrong. Love is waiting with the weight of what we've done. Love forgives when it's time, giving strength to say the words we cannot find. On and on, on and on, we are living in your love. On and on, on and on, love is written in our blood. Holy love, holy love, love receives, love responds. Love believes that we are more than what we've done. Love commits to the light. Love is running from the darkness into life. Holy love, holy love, holy love, holy love. On and on,
Alexis, I stand here today knowing that you are the one God has called me to unite with. In pursuit of that call, I vow to love you and cherish you all my days. I vow to seek the better way in our marriage, a way of love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, faithfulness, and self-control, all guided by the power of Christ. I will keep pursuing to love God so I can love you as well and in the way He has made you to be. May He mold us and shape us together for His purpose. I vow to lay down my little kingdom of self for you so I can live for the kingdom of God in our marriage. All by His grace. I vow to enjoy this life with you, thanking God for the beauty, strength, leadership, tenderness, gentleness, and humbleness He has given you. I confess that I do not know what is coming for us in this life, but I vow to take heart that on this day we are making a promise under the authority of an all-powerful God to give ourselves to one another. And I know this, in sickness and health, in joy and sorrow, I'm with you always, and I'm for you until our final breaths. I hope you know this in your heart as much as I know it in mine. And I speak these words from deep inside of me.
This is my vow. Can you see the red? Okay, your umbrella. I give you my heart. This is my vow. Mapenzi yetu itakuwa milele. Utaona, utaona, utaona. Gonna have any more. I love you like Christ, like church. Nobody could take your place. Yeah, you are my number one, and I'm gonna be faithful, make your days.
My dear Addison Hansen, from CSF Fellowship on January 28, 2020, when we chose to introduce to each other after the fellowship, it was that day that leads to this day today. Those moments that we spent together, laughing, drinking coffees and smoothies, those laid a groundwork to where we're standing today. I remember as a little boy, daydreaming about what life would be like when I meet my soulmate, and I'm afraid to say that that day is today. Today I choose you to be my forever partner just because of who you are, a loving, caring, and understanding woman. A woman that is beautiful on the inside as she is on the outside. As we make this commitment today, I promise to love you, care, and hold your hand to every high and low of this life. Even when you don't know what to do, I promise to fight by your side, to find answers from day to day, and I promise to remain the man you fell in love with. As we make this promise, I understand that marriage is not about beautiful weddings or fancy homes or cute kids. I understand completely that marriage is rather standing alongside a hospital bed or working together to set up a life insurance or a college fund for the kids. I understand completely that marriage is about finding ways to serve the Lord together. As we make this commitment, I understand that there will be differences in opinions, differences in the cultural background, and sometimes language differences. But in all that, I will choose to understand, to forgive, and to love you. I know that no one is perfect, and I will never expect you to be perfect. The only expectation I have in you is that you are not perfect, maybe that you make the bed. I promise to forgive you when you mess up, to wipe your tears when you cry, and to celebrate with you when days are in our favor.
Belong to you. Belong to me. I give you my heart. Ooh, yeah. This is my vow. Can you see the red? I pay your umbrella. I give you my heart.
Alexis, do you take Addie to be your lawfully wedded wife? To love her as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her, to nurture and cherish her as your own flesh, in sickness and in health, for richer and poorer, in good times and bad, forsaking all others until you are parted by death or the Lord's return.
How you do?
Good answer. Do you, Addie, take Alexis to be your lawfully wedded husband, to submit to him as the church submits to Christ, to encourage and respect him as the head of your body, in sickness and in health, for richer or poor, in good times and bad, forsaking all others until you're parted by death or the Lord's return.
I do.
All right. In view of these vows, which you've made before God and these witnesses, it's now my pleasure, by the power vested in me by Almighty God and His Son, Jesus Christ, to pronounce you husband and wife. Alexis, you may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure, I guess, to try and pronounce Alexis's last name. Present to you, Mr. and Mrs. Alexis Akisimana. Nope, I butchered it. Akisimana.
Akanyamuneza from Monday to Sunday, can do body in the magic every day. Mana bahurukundo rw'inanga rugero, mana umugisha ababo babi biyemeje kububwiye, mana ngwino utahe ibi birori nkuko watashe itika.
Pretty girl, move your waist. Why you all over my head? I think you're the best. Sikira mwana munda, oh la la. Gahongwe nunyegere, yekusha. Be my queen of Sheba, Yelamama. She said she trusts no man. I said, sikiliza muda mtoko. Yo nikamwambia, pale utapoenda nitakufuata yo. Naye kanikazia, eti chenye mwanzo kina mwisho. Would you marry me? Would you marry me?
Keep on blessing me.
All right, gonna dance.
Thank you, 'cause you keep on blessing me.
All right,
Keep on
Andy
blessing
and
me.
Jean Damaske.
Keep on blessing me. Keep on blessing me. Thank you, 'cause you keep on blessing me. And when I step in
Mila
place
and
I look like a
Justin.
star, say them go say I they do shaka fry. Anyways, they want see me, they want do me jaga jaga. I'm not moving, I'm adjusting my agbada.
All right,
Do you like what you see?
Demishan
They
Patience.
jealous me. Stop back, God blessing me. I go lift up my voice and
All right.
sing. When people see me, they ask me, say, what did they make me
Mackenzie
shine
and
every
Patrick.
day? Now Baba upgrade me, I elevate, I elevate, I elevate. Enemies surround me, them done dead. Them not fit touch
All
me,
right,
covered
and
by
ladies and
grace.
gentlemen,
Baba
now
upgrade me, I
introducing
celebrate.
for the very first
Thank you,
time,
'cause you keep on
Mr.
blessing.
and Mrs. Hachizimana.
Keep on blessing me. Keep on blessing me. Thank you, 'cause you keep on blessing me.
All
Keep on
right,
blessing me. Keep on blessing me. Keep on blessing me. Thank you, 'cause you keep on blessing me. We don't want no drama, we don't want wahala. But if you try to jam me, you will jam.
ubwuzu mu mutima wanjye umukunda w'icyizere cy'ejo hazaza sinicara ngo numve ndi njyenyine niwe mfata ukuboko akanjyana mu ijuru rito. Oh baby, you my one and only, the sun and moon to me. Maze kuremba kuburyo ntakinajyama n'amaso yanjye ntabwo ndashaka kureba. Ibi ngibi ubanza atari urukundo, uransendera ukanzengereza mama we. You complete to me, you complete to me. Uransendera ukanzengereza mama we. You sweetheart, iyo watinze gutaha umutima urankomanga, umubiri ugasaba yanga. Ni wowe wenyine urankumva ndi igice, ni wowe unyuzuza, udahari sinabona uko nitira. Oh baby, you're my one and only, the sun and moon to me. Maze kuremba kuburyo ntakinajyama n'amaso yanjye ntabwo ndashaka kureba. Oh, ibi ngibi ubanza atari urukundo. Oh, uransendera ukanzengereza mama we. You complete to me, you complete to me. Uransendera ukanzengereza mama we. You n'amaso yanjye nta wundi ashaka kureba. Ibi ngibi ubanza atari urukundo. Uransendera ukanzengereza mama we. You complete to me, you complete to me mama we. You're my passion, passion. You're my passion, passion. You're my passion, passion. Hey, passion. You're my passion, passion. You're my passion, passion. Thank you, everybody. You are such a delight. You say you'll be down and fine. The smell of your perfume is floating on the stairs, fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you, but you won't be surprised. It happens all the time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I think that you can read my mind. 'Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What is doing to me in a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Oh, listen, it started when you said hello. You just did something to me, and I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. 'Cause you take the breath out of my mouth without even trying, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless. not just standing there in that dress. What is doing to me in a secret? Cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, standing there in that dress. Girl, it ain't a secret. Oh, I'm speechless. What is doing to me ain't a secret. Cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I am speechless. Ooh, Thank you.
I'm so happy for Alexis and Adi. This is a great day for his life, so it's also great for me as well because I really sort of speechless. I can say that I wish the best for them. I hope to witness the great things they will achieve in the next several decades. I said decades because I mean it, and I know. And let's all keep having a great time. Alexis, congratulations. From my friends, congratulations on their behalf. And let's all keep having a great time. God bless you all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mac, or Mackenzie. Addie and I have been best friends since we were about 6, I would say. So, yes. We were pretty attached at the hip growing up, and our motto was always, one got the brains and one got the athletic ability, but I'll let you figure out which one is which. Addie would always come over to my house and hang out after lifting, and one of the memories that Misha and I have with her is that she would always go for the uncooked chicken nuggets, and we would always make fun of her for it. So, Alexis, there's your fair warning to hide them from her. Addie would always be at my house hanging out with my family, doing like family activities. And when all of our other friends would come over, they would get nicknames. Like Misha got a nickname way before Addie, and I've known Addie probably 3 times as long as Misha. And Misha got a nickname before her by my dad. And Addie would always get mad that she didn't have a nickname, but then she told my dad a story about her drinking water that had soap in it. So now she will always be known by Bubbles. While going on trips, playing sports, celebrating holidays, and going through life with her, Addie has always been there for me. And now she is moving on to the next chapter of her life. I'm so glad I got the honor of standing next to you on your big day, and I'm so happy for you and wish you the best of luck. Let's toast to Addie and Alexis.
it's an honor, man. It's an honor to be standing here beside Alexis. My name is Patrick. I've known Alexis for 2 years now. It's crazy, man. The first time I met Alexis, well, I've been seeing Alexis around campus. I was like, whoa, that's a weird guy. I don't even want to talk to that guy. So we had a meeting, and he comes up. He started presenting about Rwanda Future Builders, which I'm gonna start explaining a little bit. And after that, I was like, oh, I must be the weird guy, because this guy is actually doing something cool that I'm not doing. So a couple days later, I reached out to him. We started talking about Rwanda Future Builders and how he had a great vision for kids in Rwanda, and how he wanted to change these kids' life, and how he grew up in the same situation that these kids are going up, just really unfortunate and poor families. We had like a conversation from like 11 p.m. We went until like 4 a.m. in the morning just talking about that. And he had a great vision for these kids, a great vision for himself and what he wanted to do. And I just thought we had the same vision for life, and that's how I fell in love with Alexis. No, man. So we just kept doing life together. We did a lot of fundraising events for these kids, and then we had an event in Kearney at the University of Nebraska, Kearney. We went there to present about Rwanda Future Builders, trying to raise funds for these kids. And then that's how Alexis met Addie. And then we come back. Like usually, like we come back. It was the weather was really bad. Like I remember Justin was driving that night. Bill was there, a bunch of the kids, but he didn't even care about like the weather. He was just like so excited. He was like, bro, we are going to die right here. Why are you so excited? So we get back in Lincoln. He starts telling me about how like he met this girl. Her name is Addie. I'm like, well, hold on. Well, first of all, what are you talking about here? You met this girl right here. And then he was like, and then like a day after that, he was like, bro, I think I love Addie. I was like, no, hold on. You, first of all, you don't know her. You cannot love her. He knows. I was like, bro, if you love her, keep it to yourself. You cannot tell her that you love her. And then, because he thinks he's sneaky, he texts her that he loves her in Kinyarwanda, in our language, so that she wouldn't. I was like, bro, you cannot tell her. So he literally like writes her that I love her in Kinyarwanda, and then Addie goes to like Google and finds out. She's like, yeah, that's gotta be weird, but. But he meant it, man. He meant it. He loved her. He really loved her, and I think she loved her. And bro, you gotta listen to me. Seriously, he like started texting you like hearts and stuff. I was like, bro, it's only been like 3 days. You haven't, for real? But, huh? Yeah, yeah. But yeah, man, it was just a great time, and they went on the first date, and it was just a great time. So we started doing life together, and it was just a good time with Alexis. And then one more story. It's not as funny, but we went to Iowa a couple weeks ago, and then we had like a whole session of us two trying to teach him how to pronounce R. This man right here cannot pronounce R. He cannot. And Addie has been trying to teach him how to pronounce R, but she hasn't been very successful with that. So good luck as you continue to. But man, congratulations, man. We're happy to be here for you, and man, may God be with you in this journey, and may you continue to serve the Lord together. And I love you, man. Seriously.
Men and women. I don't know why they don't refer to women as man. Okay. What's up, man? Women. Okay, men and women. Thank you very much, Mr. Bestman. And Mark and Bestman, your job does not end here. You have to support these guys, be their moral support, be their shock absorbers, and but on the other hand, your job also ends here because you see, best men are like the opener. You use it to open the bottle, but you never give it anything. You just, So, but thank you very much for being there.
I'm not the greatest speech person, but I do like a card trick every once in a while, so hopefully it'll work out good for everybody. Okay. First, I'm going to give the girls each a sheet of paper. Don't turn it over yet. Go ahead, just pass it. Don't turn it over yet. Okay, all 5 of the girls have a sheet. Okay, Alexis, you're gonna come up here. You're gonna have just point to that card and give it. Yeah, look at it. Don't look at it. Give it to Alex. And you hold it against your chest. You can set the rest of them down. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, in a deck of cards, there are red cards and black cards. Pick one, red or black. Red. Red, that's right. Okay. Okay, in the red cards in a deck, there's diamonds and there's hearts. Pick one, diamonds or hearts. That leaves the hearts, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, in the suit of hearts, there's high cards called face cards, king, queen, and jack. And then the rest of them are non-face cards, ace through 10. So pick non-face cards or face cards.
Can you come again?
Just say face cards or non-face cards.
Face cards.
That's right. Okay. Okay, in it, there's 3 face cards in the deck in this suit. So there's the king, there's the queen, and the jack. Pick one.
Queen?
That's right. Okay, girls, turn your sheet over. Alex, show everybody the card. There it is. Okay. Now, it's a card trick, but it's also a way of confirming Alexis' love and heart to Addie. She's the queen of hearts. Okay. Okay, that's all I got. Let's propose a toast. Lift your glasses. To Addie and Alexis, the best is yet to come. So, Mom and Dad will be there anytime you need us. Thanks, everybody.
Alex mufata nk'umwana wanjye hashize nk'imyaka 2 tumenyanye kubera yuko ni inshuti ya Pasi umugabo wanjye ni oncle we ubwo n'umwana wanjye yamuzanye mu rugo nk'inshuti ye turamenyana turaganira buri munsi, tugira ibiganiro byinshi hagati yanjye nawe. Rero angezeho igitekerezo ko afite ubukwe, tumwemerera ko tuzamushyigikira kandi tuzamufasha. Twagagombye kuba turi ahangaha kuko abana banjye bababaye cyane ko bataje mu bukwe bwa Alex, ngo bashaka kugenda muri limousine ya Alex. Alex yababeshye ko afite limousine. Biriwe bambwira ngo mama ngo wagiye mu modoka ya Alex limousine, ndababwira yego niyo nagiyemo. Ngo utatujyanye, ndababwira okay tuzajya kumusura. Rero navuganye na mama wa Alex ariko ntabwo yabashije kuza, ariko nyine mwemera ko njyewe yego sindi mukuru nka mama we, ariko nzamubera mu cyimba aho atazaba hari nzahamubera. Rero nifuje kumuha iyi mpano. Iyi mpano irimo imbuto zitandukanye nkuko ziri mu kintu kimwe gutya. Hari icyo nshaka kukubwira Alex. Nkuko izi mbuto zose uzireba ni imbuto zitandukanye, nawe ugomba kwerera umugore wawe imbuto zitandukanye. Bishatse kuvuga yuko ugomba kumukunda, kumwubaha, kandi akaba ari we nshuti yawe ya mbere. Ntugire ibanga na rimwe umuhisha, kandi urugo rwanyu rukaba urugo muganira, mugakundana. Ntibibe ko uyu munsi wamuhamagaraga waraye ute, waramutse ute, ntibishure uyu munsi. Aho uri ku kazi, igihe ubonye umwanya umuhamagara umubwire bite, umeze ute. Ntago uyu munsi gutereta byarangiye, n'ubundi biracyakomeje. Bigumeho kandi bihoreho nyine. Umukunde, umwubahe, nkuko izi mbuto zirangaha. Buri rubuto rwose rufite uburyo ruryoshye rutandukanye n'urundi. Rero buri munsi uko bukeye, uko bigize, urukundo rwanyu rujye ruhora rubabera rushya kandi ruhindura uko rusanzwe, ntibirirangirira ahangaha. Rero Adi, bashaka kukubwira ko turagukunda kandi twishimiye ko uje mu muryango. Mama wa Alex yambwiye ngo aragukunda cyane, yakabaye yaje ariko ntibyakunze, kandi turahari nk'inshuti z'umuryango, ababyeyi b'umuryango. Ntuzagire ikibazo na kimwe, turahari. Uzatubwire aho ubona bitagenda, tuzakuba hafi. Aho uzabona ufite ikibazo, tuzakubera abajyanama. Turagukunda kandi wakoze kudukunda, wakoze kwemera kuza mu muryango wacu. Tuzagumya gukunda kandi tuzakomeza kugutetesha, yewe n'umuryango wawe bamenye ko aho ugiye nta kibazo uzagira. Turagukunda, murakoze.
Thank you very much, Mama. Those were beautiful words. Each and every one of them was beautiful. To the benefit of the people who do not speak the language she used, I'll try to summarize. And she's saying, lastly, the last word she said is, we love Adi very much. We welcome her to the family. We will be there to support them. Where things are going good, we shall cheer them on. Where things are not going as great as life is sometimes, we shall hold their hand. He gave them a basket of fruits, different types, banana, orange, mango, pineapple. They each have different tastes. And in their marriage, they are going to face that. Not every day is going to be a Sunday. But Alexis, it's your responsibility to love Adi, bearing that in mind. You're going to have different phases in life, and you have to walk those journeys together. And then she says she loves them very much. We will support you as much as we can, but it's also your responsibility to build your marriage. We will not interfere, okay? That's the summary of what Mama said, but every word she said was beautiful. So thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Hachizimana will have their first dance.
2, 3, 4, okay. Okay. Yeah. Just gotta let the chords play. Let's go.
You asked a question and I ain't gonna lie, but I wasn't ready, still you took me by surprise. You wanna know if I will ever leave your side, but I will love you till the very day I die. Girl, I need you, I've been needing you like air. Don't know how I would survive without you there. I can scream it loud for the whole world to hear, and if they call me crazy, I don't care. You should know I won't go. That's the last thing you should worry about. Stay with me till eternity, and ask only one question: will people fall in love in heaven? In heaven. Hope we'll still be in love in heaven. Hey. In heaven. Do people fall in love in heaven? Until we're older and our hair is gray, when our bones are aching and memories start to fade. My love for you will always be the same. And if you don't mind, please carry my last name. To you I promise, to you I promise, to you I vow, I'll pledge forever. I'm starting now, I was lost until you turned me back around. I will love you for as long as life allows. You should know, I won't go. That's the last thing you should worry about. Stay with me till eternity, and ask only one question: will we still be in love in heaven? Yeah. In heaven. Hope we'll still be in love in heaven. In heaven. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In heaven. Yeah. Will we still be in love? Oh, baby, don't you worry about it, 'cause I can't live without you. Now I confess that this is how I'm feeling. I want to show you. Walk by me, love. Walk by me, gently. Oh, baby, no, baby, that's the last thing you should worry about. Stay with me till eternity, and ask only one question: will we still be in love in heaven? Hey, hey, oh. Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She always has trouble falling asleep, and she likes to cuddle while under the sheets. She loves pop songs and dancing and bad trash TV. There's still a few other things. She loves love notes and babies and likes giving gifts. Has a hard time accepting a good compliment. And she loves her whole family and all of her friends. So if you're the one she lets in, take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when it feels like the whole world might cave in. Stand side by side and you'll make it. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her like that. Don't steal, don't cheat, and don't lie. I know you got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind. When the dreams you're dreaming come to you, when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind. Don't expect a free ride from no one. Don't hold a grudge or a chip, and here's why. Bitterness keeps you from flying. Always stay humble and kind. Know the difference between sleeping with someone and sleeping with someone you love. I love you ain't no pickup line, so always stay humble and kind. Hold the door, say please, say thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, and don't lie. I know you got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind. When those dreams you're dreaming come to you, when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind.
humura humeka, humura nshuti yanjye, kandi humura nshuti nkunda. Ngaho rero mawe nzajya inama nawe, noneho nzajya inama nziza n'abavandimwe n'inshuti. Nzajya inama nawe, nzakugura ishyamba, ngukure inyuma y'ishyamba, ngushyire mu bakwiye, maze nkwereke n'u Rwanda. Ngaho rero mawe nzajya inama nawe, noneho nzajya inama nziza n'abavandimwe n'inshuti. Nzajya inama nawe, reka ndate igikobwa, umunsi wa rusanga, musanganizwa bisabo, yemwe umuhezwa byinshi. Ngaho rero mawe nzajya inama nawe, noneho nzajya inama nziza nawe. nanjye nawe gira amakagere impundu
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can you feel them glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody's asking how I'm smiling, I'm from ear to ear. But I know, oh, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. I'm fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's true. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one who gives this all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Da, 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 da. Oh, you put my love on top. Come on, baby. Honey, honey, I can see the stars on the underneath. Can you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody's asking how I'm smiling, I'm from ear to ear. Oh, but I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. I can fight it through my tears. And finally you put me first. Oh, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one who gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. But finally, you put my love on top. Da, 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 da. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, 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 oh. You put my love on top. Top, 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 top. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Oh, baby, it's you. You're the one who gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Woo! God found me a woman, my woman, my priority. So filling up with who I am, she means the whole world to me. Yeah. You love me better than I love myself. Oh, I just want you to know you trust me better than I trust myself. I just wanna give you love. 'Cause when I close my eyes, I know you were right here with me by my side forever. Do you know how much I prayed for you? I prayed for so long for you, darling. Be my forever. I promise to never lay you down, baby. This is my vow. I belong to you, and you belong to me. I give you my heart. This is my vow. And when you see the rain Hey, you love me better, better than I love myself. I just wanna give you love. Oh, baby, you trust me better, better than I trust myself. I just wanted you to know. 'Cause when I close my eyes, I know you are right here with me by my side forever. Hey, do you know how much I prayed for you? I prayed for so long for you, darling. Be my forever. I promise to never lay you down, baby. This is my vow. Hey, I belong to you, belong to you, and you belong to me, belong to me. I give you my heart. This is my vow. And when you see the rain, I'll be your umbrella. I give you my heart. This is my vow. Woo! Hey, thank you.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even wonder your home is up. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekele sanijoro, bitumana Cynthia. 'Cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it. Been working so hard, I'm punching my card. 8 hours for what? Oh, tell me what I got. I've got this feeling that time's still holding me down. I'll hit the ceiling, or else I'll tear up this town. Tonight I gotta cut loose, put loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose, your news, everybody cut for loose. You're playing so cool, obeying every rule.
Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left.